I needed to get away from my desk, and I needed to meet with people face to face.
The biggest thing I think that has so much value here, and it's hard to even put a dollar amount on, is that like there's somebody in this group, either directly or they know somebody that can answer every single question I've had about any struggle I've had in my agency.
Nothing replaces in-person connection and bonding, and the side conversations, you know, when you're at dinners or when you're by the bonfire doing s'mores, you know, people open up and they really share the challenges, and they give candid advice, and you just, coming out of the experience, you just form that deeper bond with people, and you have people on speed dial.
We're all entrepreneurs. We're all just like have a lot of the same struggles of work-life balance and families and like, you know, all the things. So it's just like a really amazing space to have just so many answers like at your beck and call. Like I didn't even know I had this problem last week. Now I can't stop thinking about it, and I can immediately get at least pointed in the right direction, which is invaluable.
It's so easy to connect with everybody, and doing it virtually is great, but it's not the same as being, you know, face to face and spending good quality time for a number of days together.
Our experiences were incredible. So we're in the lovely San Luis Valley, and there's an amazing state park here, or national park actually, the sand dunes, and we got to get out on horses, and the cadence of the horse is slow, but the conversation was fast and it was engaging. So even though the pace of the horse felt slower, what was really inspiring was just to be able to ride up to a friend and just start talking about your business and what you're doing. So even though we were out experiencing this beautiful location, we still had a chance to talk about business and strategies. And I think that helped to bring out creativity that I've been struggling with for a little bit.
I think there's probably 4 or 5 things that I'm walking away from this day where I know that by implementing those things, it's going to help multiple facets of our business. So that's really what I was looking for when I came here, is what can we do, what can we learn to take our agency to the next level in a couple different areas, and I feel like that I've accomplished that.
I've taken away a lot of lessons for the business, learned a lot, even people that I feel like I know a little bit, like feel like I have more of a true relationship with them, and I mean the place, like the location couldn't have been any better. If we come here again next year, I'll be back.
This is by far like the coolest thing. I've been in business since 2006, and this is the single coolest business thing I've ever done that I'm just excited. I can't wait to get back to the desk on Monday and just start brain dumping and organizing all my notes and just like make a map to really crush Q4 here. I'm really excited. Like I don't want to leave, but I want to go back and like start dominating, you know?
Once in a lifetime experiences, which is great. It's like a mini vacation.
I wanted to meet people I've been talking to for 4 years. I have never met them in person, which took way too long, and it's like lifelong friends that I haven't been able to actually give a hug to, and now I can.
Well, the big takeaway that I always seem to leave these events with is I got to go to the next one.